Okay, we have an equilateral triangle that's inscribed. Okay, that's inscribed in a circle. Determine the exact ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the circle. Okay, so this is equilateral, which means this is 60. And recall that the equilateral triangle has 1 to √3 ratio. Okay, just special angle ratio. So, okay, the important thing is radius. So this is radius, right? This is also radius. So if this is radius, this here is actually half of radius because, right, this is 30, this is 30, this is 60. So this is also similar to this special triangle. So this to this is, right, that to that ratio. So if this is 1, this is half, so that it's 2 to 1 ratio. So, which makes this length here, you got times up by √3, so √3 over 2r. Okay. All right, so we're ready now to find the ratio. The ratio of the area of the triangle, so triangle to the ratio of circle. Triangle, we have the base. Okay, we gotta double that, which is √3r. Height is 1 plus half, so 3 over 2r, and you times that by half. To the ratio of pi r squared, okay? So you get 3 times 3 √3, 4r squared to the ratio of pi r squared. Divide both sides of the ratio, right, by r squared. Okay, you can make it look a little bit nicer by multiplying both sides by 4.